There is the baby turkey vultures. There's 2 of them. I love being one with nature. I'm telling you. It is amazing and it is awesome to be able to spend time with these babies. They are wild animals, but that proves a point to everybody in the world that if you are a good human being, a good person with a good soul, a good vibe, wild animals know that. They feel protected when you are around them. That is why you can hang out with them. Well, I should say I do. Because I am connected to animals, the spirit world, and the earth. My ancestors and my guardians. And I have compassion and love for all animals. Everything that's living. If you generate love, kindness, and compassion, the animals always know it. Hi, Dee Dee. Hi, Dada. What are you doing? Hi, bud. And he is the daddy, obviously. Hi, kids. And there's 2 of them. Baby Nibbles is on the left, and then the other one's on the right. And these are the turkey vulture babies that I chilled with last year. All the parents were sitting up here. They are so cute. Hi, guys. Thank you for letting me be up here with you. You're so gorgeous. You guys are so beautiful. Thank you. And you see how calm and collected they are. They enjoy me and my vibration, knowing that I'm a positive vibe in their life. Because if I was not, they would not be sitting here. I would not be chilling with them. Unicorn Zombie Jiu-Jitsu Princess.